That's big rumbles. Rumble, rumbles. They're like, I'm gonna stay in the corner. Yes. Who wants chicken? The rumble rumbles. Yay! Good job. Who wants chicken? Jess. Puppy, hi. She's like, no, thank you. I cold. I don't want to come close. Yes. Good girl. Oh, yeah. There you go. I'll grab some stuff. Yes. There you go. Woo. Yeah. Here you go. You want some? How's Matt? There you go. Good. Yes, very nice. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Oh, okay, here you go. Good. Nicely done. There you go. Super puppies. Super puppies. And then make it lighter by closing the door. Having them not worry about it. Make sure it's all the way closed. Yay, puppies! See? Now back to safety. Are you playing tricks? You gonna trade tricks? Here. Yeah, here. Oh, you gonna do tricks? Yeah, yes, there you go. You gonna do tricks? Yes, there you go. Off your sibling, huh? Ow! That was rude. That hurt. Watch the shark teeth. I will work with you on that one. There it is. There you go. She got a big piece, so she got to take it over and be smart with it. Good girl. There you go. Jess. All right. You're going to be... There you go. You going to come up? Yes! There you go! Good boy! Good job! That was smart. Are you going to come up? You come up? Yeah, I know you can. Yes. Oh, you missed it. We missed it. We missed it. Oh, here we go. Ready? You gonna come up? You gonna come up? I know you can come up. You come up like a shark. You come up like a velociraptor. That's where that comes from, right? All right. Here, ready? Yes. Good girl. Careful. Make sure you can swallow, please. You got it swallowed? Okay. Yes, good girl. There you go. Are you going to come over? You going to come over and do anything? She's like, no. I'll wait till they all leave. It's fine. It's fine. You want it? Okay, here. Yes, good girl. She balances. Do you want to balance? Yes, good girl. Do you want to balance? Yes, good boy. Super. Yay! There you go. Oh no, she missed it. Here, you want it? Hey, oh, honey, you gotta reach. There you go. Good. Very good. That is good puppies. There we go. There you go. There you go. Whoa. There you go. Yes. Good girl. There you go. Ugh. Trying to get it to you, but your brother's getting it. Yeah. You're being very polite. Good girl. I don't know how much video I'm getting, but you guys get the gist. We end on a good note. Why are you pulling your sister's tail? You feisty little girl. Yes. Seriously? Yes. There you go. Good girl. There. Ready? Okay. You giving kisses? You're eating the chicken out of each other's mouth, huh? Here. Here. Yes. Here. Yes. There you go. Good job. Very nice. Yes. Good job. Want some? There you go. Yes, good boy. Super. Are you balancing? He said, I learning to balance. I learning to balance. Yes, very nice. Oof, I can get a whole picture on that. There we go. Yes. Oopsies. There you go. Good job. You want some more? There you go. Okay. All right, kids. Good job.